Hey guys, my H220 I think is making noises that it shouldn't be. I'm using two NFF12 fans, and just to simulate it heating up so that the pump has to spin up, I'm gonna stop them both with my hands because I don't really want to open the case right now. So, sorry, and now listen for the H220. I let the fan spin back up so now it's not worried anymore. But that grinding, clicking noise is pretty damn loud, and I tilted my case from side to side to see if I could get it, if it was an air bubble, just to dislodge it. But, you know, I honestly can't tell, and there's not many videos of people just taking a video of their H220 making some noise at load without it having problems already, being like, is this normal, is my pump dead? So I don't really have much to compare it to. I don't even know anybody else that owns one, or not anybody that I could just go and visit. But here, I'll make the noise one more time. Put my microphone close to a hole. If my computer was actually at load right now, that noise would be a lot louder too. Right now, that's only at cycling up to, I don't know, like 2500. If it got any higher than that, I mean, it gets loud. It really clicks away. When it's at low RPMs like this, because I'm not doing anything, my computer's just sitting idle, it's fine. So yeah, hopefully somebody on the forums can tell me what's going on. Thanks, guys.